So, good morning mga kapiso. So, nana po tayo another client or customer. Muna yung purchase o sa unit na outdoor antenna o Piso Wifi window machine. So, namin sa Bacong SAC2X karon. Ang main target this area mong nabantayan is pag mo balik na ang school, nakita mo yung kilid school ang kuhan kilid. So, school siya and then dahang ang balay-balay. So, it's possible dalo niya makakuha ang yung investment. So, good luck. Okay.
Thank you.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.